Hello and welcome to Free Loudspeaker Plan website. This is the video tutorial automation level 1. This is the easiest way to integrate the FreeCAD model with Hornresp to run the simulations for your loudspeaker. So how to do it? First of all, open your Hornresp software. You can click here, create a new simulation. Let's call it test. Now you can click add simulation. Let's call this simulation automation level 1. Now you open the model you want to simulate in FreeCAD. In this case, I'm running the taped horn thumb. It can be after your adjustments at any time. You go to the spreadsheet and then you need to define at what environment you want to simulate. In general, I would suggest 2P. And then what is the model you need to use is the TH, the taped horn. So you can double click here until you find the TH. Here we go, TH. Unfortunately, here is indicated a stepped segment. You can double click to get black numbers, so it's not a stepped segment. So you can enter here all the information you are find here in the spreadsheet. The S2 396.82, the segment is 19.98, the S3, the L23, the S4, the segment LE34, the S5, and the LE45. Okay, those flares are parabolic ones. Maybe it might indicate exponential and so on. So as you can see, besides the level 1 is the easiest way, it's still possible to generate some errors because the user needs to know some additional information they need to input here. So it's easy, but it's more susceptible to an error. So let's indicate here the driver's parameters. The CMS, let's take here. It's 9021E5. The MMD 181, the RE, the BL, RMS, the LE. Okay. VRC, LRC, AP, LPT, VTC, ATC, 0. So we basically are copying the information from the spreadsheet and manually adding it to the Hornresp. Let's run the simulation. You can click Tools, Options, Acoustic Power. Now, whenever you run the simulation, you will go directly here to the acoustic power. So this is the response of our model. You can optimize, changing any dimensions, and then copy and pasting the results here from the spreadsheet to the Hornresp and you will keep updating the simulation until you find the best dimension for your loudspeaker that offer the best response. That's it. Thank you.